Next, I'm going to install the bypass valves for all of the regenerating tanks. All you have to do is snap it in and tighten the thumb screws. Next, I need to install the 1-inch male adaptions to the bypass valve. Pop them in and tighten the thumb screws. Now, with any male adaption, you should use 5 or 6 wraps of Teflon tape, followed up with the thread sealant. Next, I need to prep the backwash line elbow. Now, this connection is not under constant pressure, so I'll just use 5 or 6 wraps of Teflon tape. And just like the other connections, we're going to pop it in and tighten the thumb screw. Next, I can install the backwash drain lines. Your drain line should be ran to a spot that can handle a large amount of water flow.